ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 25 ಶ್ಲೋಕ 10. ಏವಂ ನಾಟಿತರೌದ್ರಚೇಷ್ಟಿತ ವಿಭೋ ಶ್ರೀತಾಪನೀಯಾಭಿಧ ಶ್ರುತ್ಯಂತ ಸ್ಫುಟಗೀತ ಸರ್ವಮಹಿಮನ್ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಶುದ್ಧಾಕೃತೆ ತತ್ತಾದೃಂನಿಖಿಲೋತ್ತರಂ ಪುನರಹೋ ಕಸ್ತ್ವಾಂ ಪರೋ ಲಂಘಯೇತ್ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಹೇ ಮರುತ್ಪುರಪತೆ ಸರ್ವಾಮಯಾತ್ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಹೇ ಮರುತ್ಪುರಪತೆ ಸರ್ವಾಮಯಾತ್ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಹೇ ಮರುತ್ಪುರಪತೆ ಸರ್ವಾಮಯಾತ್ ಪಾಹಿ ಮಾಂ. Word by word meaning. Evam, in this manner. Natita Raudra Cheshtita. O thou who didst enact a drama of ferocity. Atyanta Shuddha Krite, but art absolutely pure, free from anger. Sri Tapaniyabhida Shrutyanta Sphuta Gita Sarva Mahiman, who dost possess all the excellences sung about clearly in the Shruti known as Sri Tapaniya Vibho, O all-pervading Lord. Tatta Dring Nikhilottaram Tvam, thee who art thus incomparable and superior to all. Paraha Kaha Punaha Langayet, who else can overcome thee? Aho, wonder. He Prahlada Priya, who art very fond of Prahlada. He Marut Purapate, O Lord of Guruvayur. Mam Sarvamayat Pahi, save me from all ailments. Full meaning. O all-pervading Lord, who didst enact such a drama of ferocity, but art absolutely pure, who dost possess all the excellences sung about clearly in the Nrsimha Tapaniya Upanishad, who can win against thee, who art incomparable and superior to all. What a wonder, O Lord of Guruvayur, who art very fond of Prahlada. Save me from all my ailments. Note: the Lord is in reality free from anger, but he put on an appearance of great anger in order to kill the wicked Asura. Om Tat Sat.